Dolphins, delightful creatures of the deep blue sea, are not just playful and intelligent, but also fascinating in their unique adaptations. Dolphins belong to the family Delphinidae, part of the Cetacean order, which includes whales and porpoises. They have streamlined bodies, flippers instead of limbs, and a blowhole atop their heads, allowing them to breathe while keeping their eyes above water. Their streamlined bodies help them swim swiftly at speeds up to 37 miles per hour, while their flippers act like wings, propelling them through the water with grace and agility. Moreover, their powerful tails provide the necessary thrust for sudden bursts of speed. Dolphins are known for their intelligence, often exhibiting behaviors such as play, cooperation, and even problem-solving. They use echolocation to navigate and find food, emitting sounds and listening for the echoes that bounce off objects. This incredible ability allows them to identify underwater obstacles, locate prey, and communicate with each other. Their intelligence is further demonstrated by their ability to learn and remember complex tasks. In many cases, dolphins have been trained to perform tricks and tasks in captivity. They have also been known to display empathy towards distressed animals and even humans. Dolphins have a significant role in marine ecosystems, as they help control fish populations by preying on sick or weak individuals. They also contribute to nutrient cycling by consuming plankton and fish, and their feces serve as a valuable food source for smaller marine organisms. In recent years, dolphins have faced numerous threats, including pollution, habitat loss, and entanglement in fishing gear. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these intelligent swimmers, ensuring that future generations can marvel at their intelligence and grace. Dolphins, with their playful antics and remarkable intelligence, continue to captivate us. They serve as a reminder of the incredible diversity and complexity of the marine world, and the importance of preserving it for the benefit of all species.